Web Development Crash Course, Deploying and Hosting Websites. Introduction. Once you've developed a stunning website or web application, the next step is to deploy and host it on the internet for the world to access. Deploying and hosting websites effectively and securely is a crucial aspect of web development. In this crash course, we will explore the top techniques and methods for deploying and hosting websites. Along the way, we will share fascinating stories and examples to captivate your interest. So, let's dive into the exciting world of deploying and hosting websites. Story: The unexpected traffic surge. Imagine a small startup that launched a revolutionary app designed to connect people with local services. The team worked tirelessly to create an exceptional user experience and deployed their app on a shared hosting plan. Everything seemed to be going well until a prominent influencer mentioned the app on social media. The unexpected surge in traffic overwhelmed their hosting resources, causing the app to crash and resulting in a significant loss of potential users. This story emphasizes the importance of choosing a scalable hosting solution to handle unexpected traffic spikes. Now, let's explore the top 12 techniques and methods for deploying and hosting websites that will help you ensure a smooth and successful online presence. 1. Shared hosting. Shared hosting is a popular and cost-effective option for small websites. It involves hosting multiple websites on a single server, sharing its resources. While shared hosting is affordable, it may have limitations in terms of performance and scalability, making it suitable for low-traffic websites. 2. Virtual Private Server, VPS, hosting. VPS hosting provides a virtualized server environment where multiple virtual machines run on a single physical server. Each VPS has dedicated resources, offering better performance and control compared to shared hosting. It is a suitable choice for websites that require more control and resources. 3. Dedicated server hosting. Dedicated server hosting provides an entire physical server exclusively for your website. It offers maximum control, flexibility, and performance. Dedicated hosting is suitable for large websites with high traffic volumes and specific security requirements. 4. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting utilizes a network of interconnected servers to host websites. It offers scalability, flexibility, and high availability. Cloud hosting is a suitable choice for websites that experience unpredictable traffic fluctuations and require rapid scalability. 5. Content Delivery Network, CDN. CDNs distribute website content across multiple servers worldwide, allowing visitors to access content from the nearest server location. CDNs improve website performance, reduce latency, and handle traffic spikes effectively. They are especially beneficial for websites with a global audience. 6. Serverless Architecture. Serverless architecture allows developers to focus on writing code without worrying about server management. With serverless platforms, developers can deploy functions or microservices that are automatically scaled based on demand. This approach is cost-effective and well-suited for specific functions or APIs. 7. Containerization. Containerization enables the packaging of an application and its dependencies into a standardized unit called a container. Containers provide portability, scalability, and isolation. Docker is a popular containerization platform widely used for deploying web applications. 8. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. CI/CD pipelines automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications. They ensure that new changes are thoroughly tested before being deployed to production environments. CI/CD pipelines enhance efficiency, maintain stability, and enable faster iteration cycles. 9. Scalability and load balancing. To handle increased traffic and ensure high availability, websites should be designed for scalability. Load balancing distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers, preventing any single server from being overwhelmed. Horizontal scaling involves adding more servers, while vertical scaling involves upgrading server resources. 10. Security considerations. Implementing robust security measures is crucial when deploying and hosting websites. This includes using SSL, TLS certificates for secure communication, regularly updating software components, implementing firewalls, and following security best practices to protect against vulnerabilities and attacks. 11. Monitoring and performance optimization. Monitoring tools allow you to track website performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource usage. Utilize tools like New Relic, Google Analytics, and server monitoring software to ensure your website is running optimally. 12. Disaster recovery and backups. Regularly backing up website data and implementing disaster recovery plans are essential. In the event of data loss or system failure, having reliable backups ensures minimal downtime and data loss. Summarizing the deploying and hosting techniques. In summary, deploying and hosting websites require careful consideration and the right choice of hosting methods. The top 12 techniques and methods to ensure a successful online presence are: 1. Shared hosting. 2. Virtual private server, VPS, hosting. 3. Dedicated server hosting. 4. Cloud hosting. 5. Content delivery network, CDN. 6. Serverless architecture. 7. Containerization. 8. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CD. 9. Scalability and load balancing. 10. Security considerations. 11. Monitoring and performance optimization. 12. Disaster recovery and backups. By selecting the appropriate hosting solution, implementing security measures, optimizing performance, and planning for scalability and disaster recovery, you can deploy and host your website successfully. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.